1000 kilograms steel frame induction melting furnace. Steel frame induction melting furnace is designed for 500 kilograms to 50-ton melting capacity. Steel frame furnace is the most stable and safest design, which comes with hydraulic tilting system and fixed point pouring function. (150 kilograms aluminum frame induction melting furnace. Aluminum frame induction melting furnace is an economical small melting furnace, which is applied in melting metal from 100 kilograms to 5 ton. Its tilting mechanism usually adopts a reducer motor tilting. The installation and maintenance are more convenient.